Hey guys, today we are going to replace the instrument cluster and the climate control on this 2001 GMC Sierra. This is the same for pretty much most of the Chevys from 99. I think it's like '06, Avalanches, Silverados, etc. First thing we're going to do, put your shifter down there, and sorry, it's just going to ding. And then we're gonna take this off. You can either stick something in here to pry and pop this out, or maybe you might be able to just pull it out with your fingernails. This is just held in with clips. So you just pull this out and pop it loose. Just be careful not to force anything too hard. A lot of times these get old and they can crack. Alright, so just stick a little pry tool in here. You can see that just pops like that. We can just go around, carefully pop this loose. There we go. Alright, got that out. One little helpful tip, take your steering wheel and angle it all the way down. Alright, at this point, you're going to need a 7mm socket for the climate control. Those two screws right there, this will come out. You can unpop the clips in the back, put your new one in. You also need to push these clips in to get this out. There's 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same with these here. There's a 7mm there. Down here. Right there. And then right there. So then you can pull this out. There's a clip on the back. Unclip it. Put your new one in. You're good to go. Pop the dash back on it. And that is all there is. Hit that thumbs up button if this video was really helpful. I appreciate it. Helps me out a lot. Have a good one.